Woodworking is one of those crafts where the right tool makes a big difference. Beyond the basics like saws and chisels, today's Amazon picks include some genius tools that actually solve real problems woodworkers face every day. With these, you not only save time and material, but also step up the quality of your builds while making tricky jobs way easier. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30, Portable Crosscut. This circular saw guide enables accurate 45-degree and 90-degree crosscuts up to 8 inches wide. It includes a retractable cut line indicator and a support edge for precise alignment. Compatible with different saw blade positions, it offers stable cutting with anti-slip grips to prevent movement. Built for durability and ease of use, it supports woodworkers in achieving clean and controlled cuts for various projects. Number 29, Wolfcraft Hand Countersink. Want perfectly flush screws every time? The Wolfcraft Hand Countersink makes it easy. With 3 sharp cutting edges and an adjustable depth stop, it gives precise, repeatable results on any type of wood. You get a clear view, smooth chip removal, and even pressure protection for surfaces. Plus, the 1/4 inch hex shank lets you switch tools in seconds. Number 28, Big Eye Intelligent Position Manager. Still squinting at a tape measure on your table saw? That's old. This tool brings aerospace level digital precision right to your fence. Just punch in the dimension you want and the crisp digital display tells you exactly when to lock it down. No more test cuts, no wasted expensive hardwood from tiny measuring mistakes. Magnetic sensors inside stay totally immune to sawdust, so your readings stay spot on all day. Number 27, Pony Clamping Worktable. One table, endless possibilities. The Pony 2-in-1 clamping worktable and sawhorse switches instantly between a workbench and a sawhorse. It handles up to 500 pounds as a table and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse, thanks to its strong aluminum frame. 6 adjustable heights, quick clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps give you total flexibility. Lightweight, foldable, and portable. It's easy to take your workshop anywhere you need it. Number 26, Wood Moisture Meter. This wood moisture meter and smart multimeter provide a complete measurement solution for woodworking, restoration, and electrical tasks. The moisture meter features dual probes, multiple calibration scales, and a tricolor display for accurate wood readings. The multimeter offers voltage and live wire testing with auto ranging. Both handheld devices include backlight, data hold, low battery alerts, and convenient storage, ensuring an user-friendly operation. Number 25, Sleeveless Sanding Drums. Make sanding way smarter with Infinity's sleeveless sanding drums. The abrasive sleeves slide on and off in seconds. No tools, no glue, no hassle. They fit drill presses and rotary tools, making them perfect for smoothing curves, edges, and inside holes. The rubber body expands under pressure to grip the sleeve tightly while sanding. Simple, effective, and fast. Just slip it on, spin, and smooth. Number 24, FastCap Magnetic Shim Sets. FastCap Magnetic Shim Sets make spacing a breeze. Just set it, shim it, done. With 8 1/8-inch shims and 2 1/16-inch shims, you can handle anything from 1/16-inch to 1 1/8-inch with precision. They're perfect for table saws, drill presses, and router depth adjustments. The magnetic design keeps the shims right where you need them. No slipping, no guessing, just fast, accurate setups every time. Number 23, Milescraft Lockmate Plus. This clamp fits right into your existing workbench dog holes, giving extra stability and grip. Its easy to use locking mechanism keeps panels from slipping or shifting while cutting or sanding. Crafted from durable steel with a comfortable handle, it holds strong on any woodworking task. Gluing, sanding, or assembly, the Lockmate Plus keeps everything secure and controlled. It's a smart upgrade that boosts both safety and accuracy, turning your bench into a real powerhouse. Number 22, Tolsea Blades. This isn't just any blade, and it's a titanium powerhouse. It tears through wood, metal, nails, and screws like nothing else. The Tolsea Oscillating Tool Blade has a wavy tooth design that keeps cuts cleaner, stays cooler, and lasts twice as long. Perfect for trimming floors, cutting door frames, or slicing through nail-studded wood. fast, sharp, and works with all major tools, and it's a total game changer for DIYers and pros alike. Number 21. Drilling Positioning Ruler. The Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler is a versatile tool for drilling, marking, and woodworking projects. With 3 adjustable positioning blocks, it ensures precise drilling and nailing. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and a larger marking range when needed. The multi-purpose triangle ruler also helps draw straight lines, precise angles, and equidistant marks, construction and projects that require accuracy and efficiency. Number 20. Saker Chamfer Plane. Simplify your woodworking with the Saker Chamfer Plane. Quickly trim and chamfer edges with adjustable depth for precise results on different types of wood. Horizontal and vertical bubbles make leveling and alignment effortless, while the comfortable design ensures easy handling and operation. Finish your projects faster, more accurately, and with less effort. Number 19. Milescraft Trim 45. This tool is really useful when you are putting the finishing wood pieces around doors or windows. It helps you measure and mark your trim without having to fumble with a tape measure. One cool feature is the adjustable reveal. You can set it anywhere from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch in easy steps. It also has slots for your tape measure and strong magnets, so measuring jams and trim stock is a breeze, even if you're working alone. Plus, the built-in clamp pad works with any clamp, and the 45-degree angled head makes marking miter cuts quick and simple. Number 18. Nicpro Carpenter. Tired of snapping pencils on the job? The Nicpro Carpenter pencil set is made for the pros. It's got a 45mm deep reach tip that gets into tight holes and awkward corners where no regular pencil dares to go. Built-in sharpener, super thick 2.8mm lead that won't break, and 3 color refills that write on wood, metal, plastic, or anything. Number 17. Kreg Straight Edge Guide. This circular saw guide delivers long, accurate cuts for circular saws, jigsaws, and trim routers. It works with both left and right-handed saws and features a retractable cut line indicator for precise alignment. The anti-slip clamp secures the guide on materials up to 4 feet long, ensuring stability during cutting. A premium Kreg tool, it helps woodworkers achieve clean, professional results and bridges the gap between concept and finished project. Number 16. Blade Storage Protector. Silly Saw blade sleeves protect your circular saw blades and fingers during storage and handling. Made from soft silicone, they prevent chipping, wear, and damage while remaining gentle on the blade. Best for contractors, the sleeves fit multiple diameters and kerf types and feature hang tabs for organized storage. Use them to safely store blades, reduce replacement costs, and protect your hands during blade changes or installation. Number 15. Festool Carvex. This lightweight jigsaw combines precision, power, and control for smooth, fast cuts every time. Triple blade guidance, a rigid torsion shaft, and a strong drive ensure accuracy on every project. Enjoy tool-free blade changes, an ergonomic soft grip, a strobe-lit cutting path, and a swivel plug cable for ultimate flexibility. Compact, precise, and ready to perform. Number 14. POWERTEC Vacuum Sanding Block. This hand sanding block includes a built-in 1-inch adapter and 50 hook and loop sanding pads and grits for coarse to very fine sanding. Its less weight and ergonomic handle reduce hand fatigue while efficiently drawing dust into your vacuum. Compatible with POWERTEC dust collection kits or wet-dry vacuums, it's excellent for woodworking, workshop dust extraction, and precision sanding tasks. Number 13. Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. The Kreg Rebel Pocket Hole Joinery Set delivers fast, precise one-motion drilling without clamping, paired with a 20-volt blue ion charger for uninterrupted work. Small in size and cordless, it provides flexible, convenient use for carpentry, DIY kits, and woodworking assembly on the go. Built for durability and has reliable joints for both beginner and advanced projects. Kreg tools are designed to help woodworkers transform ideas into professional quality results. Number 12. JessEm. This table saw accessory provides a firm grip on workpieces up to 2.5 inches thick, supporting precise cuts on full sheets of plywood. Angled rollers pull material tightly against the fence for superior control, while one-way roller bearings reduce the risk of kickback for safer operation. Universally compatible with cabinet job sites, it features durable 304 stainless steel construction for reliable, long-lasting performance. Number 11. Precision Square Measuring Tool. This 200mm stainless steel precision square features a patented flex grip with tabs that securely hold onto most surfaces softer than steel. Scribing notches are spaced every one by 16 inch, with engraving accuracy within 0.004 inches, and overall calibration to 0.002 inches. A built-in balancing tab locks in place for precise scribing across workpieces and can be disengaged when not required, making this tool excellent for metalworking and precision marking tasks. Number 10. Ultimate Table Saw XTENDER. This XTENDER fence kit upgrades portable and contractor table saws into full-featured cabinet saws. It includes featherboards, supports, and clamps to enhance safety, precision, and smooth material feeds. Quick to attach or remove, the fence features multiple T-slots for T-bolts and allows versatile positioning for in-feed, out-feed, or balanced support. It is compatible with most fences and also accommodates additional accessories for a fully customized setup. Number 9. Screw Guide Rail Clamps. This set includes 2 quick screw-down clamps with 7-inch max opening and 2 3/8-inch throat depth. Ergonomic plastic handles provide comfortable tightening, while steel pressure pads with removable non-marring covers protect surfaces. Best for Festool, Makita, and POWERTEC track saw guides, and some heavy-duty T-slots. Number 8. SUIZAN Folding Ryoba. This Japanese pull saw cuts by pulling the blade instead of pushing, making it lighter, easier to control, and capable of producing clean cuts. Made from high-quality Japanese steel and crafted by skilled artisans in Japan, it ensures durability and sharp performance. Suitable for all skill levels, it enhances woodworking precision and expands project possibilities while delivering smooth and accurate cutting results. Number 7. Multifunction Scribing Tool. The Profiler Plus Multifunction Scribe Tool offers adjustable scribe width and a self-locking mechanism for precise marking. Compatible with Pisa Dry 3030 long life automatic pencils or other markers, it ensures professional grade accuracy for woodworking, flooring, and tiling projects. Made in the UK from durable glass-filled nylon and steel bearings, this less in weight tool features a reversible pencil holder and smooth gliding for unlimited tracing, helping professionals and DIY ERs complete tasks quickly and accurately. Number 6. Japanese Flush Cut Saw. This Japanese flush cut pull saw is ideal for cutting dowels, tenons, wedges, and trim flush with adjoining surfaces. Handcrafted in Japan with a beechwood handle and brass fittings, it combines beauty, precision, and performance. The pull stroke design and thin, narrow curved blade allow effortless, accurate cuts in soft or hardwood. Number 5. Drywall Cut-Out. The Vervoive cordless drywall cutout tool, compatible with DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, features a 30,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor for efficient, precise cutting in drywall, wood, and plastic. Tool-free depth adjustment allows cuts up to 25 millimeters, while the removable dust collection shroud captures up to 98% of debris. Fast, wrench-free bit changes make this cutting tool convenient for a clean, professional workspace. Number 4. Dowel Maker. This Dowel Maker features a carbide blade for efficient straight dowel or stick production. The 1-inch thick guide hole keeps the workpiece aligned, allowing for straighter and slightly longer dowels. Made from durable aluminum alloy with a black finish, it comes with a carbide blade and a wrench. For safe use, ensure firm installation and consider adding an F-clamp to hold it securely during operation. Number 3. Armor Tool Auto-Jig. The Armor Tool Auto-Jig automates pocket hole joinery, adjusting the drill guide and bit collar based on material thickness for precise, hassle-free drilling. It includes an auto-adjust clamp for quick setup, color coat screws for easy size, matching and corrosion protection, and a dust collection port. The 750-piece screw set covers a range of sizes, and the 3MP-70 multi-purpose clamp provides fast one-handed clamping, excellent for woodworking or metalworking projects at varying angles. Number 2. WEN Speed Scroll Saw. This saw features a unique dual-direction blade design for unlimited ripping options. The variable speed ranges from 400 to 1,600 strokes per minute for precise control. A bevel table tilts up to 45 degrees for angled cuts, and it handles wood up to 2 inches thick with a 16-inch throat depth. Additional features include tool-free blade changes, cast iron base, flex light, foot clamp, onboard storage, and 3 included blades. Number 1. Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square. This full-size folding saddle square is crafted from aluminum, measuring 1.5 inch wide by 7.5 inch long and made in the USA. Its design lets you mark 2 adjacent faces at once for faster, precise layout. The tensioned zero wiggle hinge ensures smooth, stable operation. Beyond 90-degree angles, it works perfectly for cross-dowel joinery, spline layouts, angled bridle joints, and a variety of other woodworking applications. Thanks for watching. If these woodworking tools sparked some ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any more time-saving tips. Got a favorite tool from the list? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think.